Hey everyone, welcome back to the Deep Dive. So today we're diving into something that I think a lot of you are really interested in, AI for project managers.
Yeah, this is a hot topic, and for good reason.
Absolutely. We've got a ton of articles and research here, and we're going to try to pull out the most important, actionable tips for you guys.
Exactly. We're going to cut through the noise and give you the stuff you can actually use.
Yeah, because wouldn't it be amazing if you could just have AI handle all the boring parts of your job as a project manager?
Oh, absolutely. Free up your time for the strategic thinking, the creative problem solving.
Yeah, imagine AI handling all your reports and, crunching all that data so you can focus on, leading your team and come up with amazing ideas.
That's the dream, right?
It is. Okay, so one of the first things that really jumped out at me was this idea from the projectmanagement.com article about AI being your co-pilot, not a replacement.
Right. It's not about AI taking over your job. It's about AI making you better at your job.
Yeah, like having a super smart assistant who can handle all the details.
Exactly. Think about something like ChatGPT. You can use it to generate reports, analyze data, even draft project plans.
Wow. So it's like taking all those time-consuming tasks off your plate.
Exactly. And that frees you up to focus on the bigger picture, the strategic thinking that really makes a difference.
Okay, so tip number one, AI is your co-pilot, helping you work smarter, not harder. I love it. The next article we have here from Tech Target talks about hybrid project management.
Interesting.
I'll admit, I'm not totally clear on what that means. Could you break it down for us?
Sure, hybrid project management is essentially about combining different approaches like agile and waterfall within a single project.
Ah, okay. So it's not about choosing one or the other. It's about being flexible.
Exactly. It's about adapting to the specific needs of each project and choosing the right tools and techniques for the job.
And that's where AI comes in, right?
Absolutely. AI can help you model different scenarios, experiment with different methodologies, and find the best fit for your project.
So it's like having an AI consultant helping you decide on the best approach.
In a way, yeah. It's about using data and insights to make smarter decisions about how to manage your projects.
So tip number two is all about embracing flexibility and using AI to find the best approach for each project. Got it.
Yeah.
But with all this talk about AI, I can't help but wonder about the human element.
That's a really important point.
What happens to all those essential human skills, like communication and, emotional intelligence?
Well, I think those skills become even more important as AI takes on more of the routine tasks.
Really? How so?
Think about it. AI can handle the logistics, but it can't replace the human touch.
So it's like AI handles the data and we handle the people.
Exactly. And as project managers, we need to be even better at those people skills because we're the ones who are building relationships, motivating our teams, and resolving conflicts.
So tip number three is all about supercharging your people skills, which is interesting because I feel like AI can actually help us do that too.
Oh, absolutely. There are AI tools that can analyze team dynamics, identify communication patterns, even suggest ways to improve collaboration.
So it's like having an AI-powered coach for your team. I like that.
It's about using technology to augment our human capabilities, not replace them.
Okay, so far we've got AI as our co-pilot, AI helping us be more flexible, and AI helping us improve our people skills. What's next?
Let's talk about something that I know a lot of project managers struggle with, connecting project work to the overall business strategy.
Yes. This is something I've definitely struggled with in the past. It's like you get so caught up in the day-to-day tasks that you lose sight of the bigger picture.
Exactly. And that's where AI can be incredibly helpful. AI can analyze your project data and connect it to your organization's strategic goals.
So instead of just checking boxes, we can actually see how our work is contributing to the bottom line.
Exactly. AI can help you demonstrate the value of your projects and show how they're driving the business forward.
Okay, so tip number four, leverage AI to demonstrate the strategic value of your projects.
Love it.
We're on a roll here. What else have you got?
Well, since we're talking about showing value, let's talk about managing multi-generational teams.
Yes, another challenge that project managers are facing these days.
Right. You've got baby boomers, Gen X, millennials, Gen Z, all working together, and they all have different communication styles, different work preferences, different expectations.
And different values too, right?
Yeah.
So how can AI help us navigate this generational minefield?
AI can help you understand those differences and tailor your approach accordingly. It can analyze communication patterns, identify potential areas of conflict, and even suggest ways to improve team dynamics.
So it's like having an AI-powered translator helping us bridge the generational divide.
Exactly. It's about using technology to create a more inclusive and harmonious work environment where everyone feels understood and valued.
Okay, so tip number five, use AI to bridge generational gaps and create a more inclusive team environment. Makes sense.
Yeah.
We're up to 5 tips already. What's our final tip for today?
Let's talk about data, specifically becoming a data-driven decision maker.
Data, data. It's everywhere.
It is, and as project managers, we're drowning in it. But AI can help us make sense of it all. AI can analyze vast amounts of data, identify trends, and provide us with the insights we need to make informed decisions.
So instead of relying on gut feeling or guesswork, we can use data to make smarter decisions.
Exactly. And that leads to better outcomes for our projects and our organizations.
Okay, so tip number 6, become a data-driven decision maker with the help of AI.
I love it. This has been a really insightful deep dive so far.
I agree. We've covered a lot of ground, but I think it's clear that AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we manage projects.
Absolutely. It's not about replacing project managers. It's about empowering them to be even better at what they do.
Exactly. AI is a tool, and like any tool, it's up to us to use it wisely and ethically.